Very good morning, boys. My dear boys of class 12. We were completing female athletic triad. In female athletic triad, I completed osteoporosis, number 1. I completed amenorrhea, number 2. And today, I am going to complete the third topic of the triad, that is eating disorder. Eating disorder. There are two types of eating disorders. Number 1, anorexia nervosa, and number 2, bulimia nervosa. Now in this class, I am going to complete anorexia nervosa. What is anorexia nervosa? Anorexia nervosa is a psychophysical disorder. This is a psychological disorder. At the same time, this is a physical disorder also. Now what happens in anorexia nervosa? Here an individual tries to remain lean and slim and thin and toned. Now for this, he or she can go to any extent. This type of individuals, they fast, fasting रखना, fast. They restrict their diet. They do not eat much. They curtail their calorie intake, and they eat very much less. They skip meals, which in future lead to serious health hazard. Now this is anorexia nervosa. In anorexia nervosa, an individual eats very less. The individual tries to present himself or herself as a very lean, slim, toned fellow. Now to attain this, he curtails energy intake. He doesn't eat or eats very less. The individual skips meals, and there are so many misconceptions related to diet he or she has. So this is anorexia nervosa. Now nowadays it is affecting, anorexia nervosa is affecting the youth. Many youths, youngsters have become the victim of anorexia nervosa. This is not at all good. There are two types of anorexia nervosa. Number 1, restricting type of anorexia nervosa. In this, the individuals control their body weight. One thing, they always suffer from the fear of being overweight or obese. To control their weight, the fear of being obese compels them to do so. So restricting type of anorexia, in this, an individual control their body weight by putting restrictions to the elements of diet. In this way, they start reducing their body weight, number 1. Number 2, purging type of bulimia, anorexia. Purging type of anorexia. In this type of anorexia, an individual loses his or her body weight by taking diuretics, laxative, etc., or by forced vomiting. उल्टी कर देते हैं ज़बरदस्ती, गले में अंगुली लगा के, by forced vomiting after meals. These are the two types of anorexia nervosa. Now what are the causes? Psychological factor. There are many psychological factors. Maybe he or she is obsessed with keeping themselves fit, extra care to become fit, psychological factor. Social factor, suppose his or her surroundings, pulse, friends, they are lean and slim, or he or she is little bit obese. So to balance, he or she starts putting restriction on diet. Social factors ये है, and biological factors if there are some hormonal disbalances. So sometimes irregular hormonal functions sometimes lead to anorexia nervosa. Now what are the symptoms of anorexia nervosa? Number 1, significantly underweight, बहुत underweight, कुत्सित हो जाते हैं. Sometimes those who are suffering from anorexia nervosa, they become dangerously sick. They suffer from anemia. Sometimes anemia हो जाता है इन लोगों का. Number 3, low pulse rate. Number 4, low blood pressure. Number 5, low body temperature. In case of women, failure of menstruation, periods, denial of illness. भोग रहा है लेकिन नहीं बोलेंगे, नहीं ठीक है सब कुछ. Denial of illness, self-induced vomiting, excessive eating at times. These are the symptoms of anorexia nervosa. Thank you very much today after this.